Welcome. In today's video, let's go over how to allow videos to autoplay on X, formerly known as Twitter, when you're using the web version on your PC. If you've noticed videos not starting automatically while scrolling through your feed, don't worry, this quick guide will show how to turn autoplay back on with the newest update. First, open X on your web browser and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the home page, look over to the main navigation panel on the left side of the screen. You'll see several options there. Click on the one labeled More. This is where you'll find additional settings and tools that aren't shown right away. After that, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. This will open a new section with a list of categories that control how your account looks, feels, and behaves. From here, you'll want to go to Accessibility, Display, and Languages. This section helps you adjust how you see and interact with content on X, including video playback options. Next, click on Data Usage. This is where X lets you fine-tune how much data the platform uses, which is important for video settings like Autoplay. Once that page opens, look for the option called Autoplay and give it a click. You'll see a few choices appear. To make sure videos start playing as you scroll through your feed, select On Cellular or Wi-Fi. This will enable autoplay no matter what type of network connection you're using. After you've done that, your setting will save automatically. Now, videos will begin playing on their own whenever you browse your feed. It's a simple but useful tweak that makes the experience feel more seamless and lively. And that's it. You've successfully turned on video autoplay on X for the web. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips and guides that make your online experience easier.